Zug Didi, nested in the San Zimo Serenity region of western Georgia, serves as a culture and logistical hub with easy access to coastal views and historic landmarks. As the capital of the area, it offers travelers a variety of accommodations spanning boutique stays, modern mid-range hotels, and elevated luxury retreats. Comfort, convenience, and gracious Georgian hospitality ties these options together, making Zagdidi a pleasant stop for explorers, families, and business travelers alike. The first one is Hotel Lumi. Hotel Lumi is celebrated for its welcoming atmosphere and outstanding staff hospitality. Guests highlight spacious, well-equipped rooms with modern convenience and appreciate the smooth check-in process. The property includes a serene garden, round-the-clock front desk service, and contemporary Wi-Fi. It values pricing paired with warm service, making it a favorite among many visitors. The second one is GH Prague Boutique Hotel. This boutique gem offers impeccably clean, beautifully designed rooms in a serene neighborhood. Many guests find the decor exceed expectations, with modern bathrooms and plush beddings enhancing the experience. Free private parking, quiet environs, and a friendly attendant staff make it a peaceful and elegant standout in the city center. The third one is Dariani Inn. Dariani Inn earns high praise for its spacious, clean rooms and exceptional hospitality, with staff fluent in English and ready to assist. Located northeast of the city's heart, it is easy to access local attraction and markets. Guests value the mini fridge, kettle, and thoughtful touches, making it an ideal home away from home. The fourth one is Astoria Hotel. Astoria Hotel combines simplicity with comfort. Its compact rooms are clean and functional, and shared amenities like a kitchen and lounge add convenience for extended stays. Located within walking distance of shopping areas and the Diani Palace is a practical and well-located option for those wanting efficient comfort. The fifth one is Hotel Koshki. Hotel Koshki features comfortable room, many with balconies and service such as an airport transfer, room service, and Wi-Fi. The property includes a 24-hour reception and parking options. Guests often find it a satisfying mid-range choice, especially for travelers prioritizing practicality and ease. The next one is Lito Boutique Hotel Saktidi. A five-star experience, Lito Boutique Hotel offers refined elegance with a full service for outdoor pool, stylish bar, and restaurant. Many visitors enjoy relaxing by the pool and note that the atmosphere is inviting without ever feeling too crowded. It perfectly blends upscale comfort with contemporary flair. The next one is River S Hotel. A solid 4-star option, River S Hotel provides family rooms, free Wi-Fi, and round-the-clock assistance. The well-kept garden offers a tranquil setting for relaxing moments, while its central location means key attractions are easily accessible. This balance of service and value make it dependable choice for families on longer stays. The next one is Iberia Palace Hotel. Located at Zagdidi Core, Iberia Palace Hotel offers a blend of convenience and comfort. Guests enjoy contemporary breakfast and amenities like LED TVs, mini bars, and attentive service. While some note an issue with sound insulation, many still appreciate the hospitality and central location for business or leisure. The second last is Garden Palace Hotel. Garden Palace Hotel offers a comfortable 4-star stay with a restaurant, bar, and a shared lounge. Its terrace and ATM are practical amenities, and the in-house tour desk adds convenience for sightseeing. Guests comfortable with a slightly simpler aesthetic often find it offer excellent value and dependable service. The last one is Hotel Simgrelo. This mid-range hotel welcomes families and couples with its clean rooms, closet stays, and room service. The attentive staff and central location make it a reliable, stress-free choice. While not lavish, its simplicity and value bring consistent positive experience for many visitors. Sung Didi Hotel scene presents a delightful mix of friendly affordability, boutique charm, and elevated indulgence. Whether you are passing through a business, visiting family, or touring regional site, you will find accommodations that blend convenience with cordial Georgian hospitality.